right, folks, so this is the adding fractions video. I'm going to do numbers 1, 3, 9, and 16, and I am going to go pretty quickly. Okay, so I rewrite my fractions when I add them. Okay, these are fractions with different bases, or different denominators, excuse me. You should also rewrite them. So my least common multiple here, my least common denominator is going to be 20. Okay, I multiply by 5 here, so I'm going to do the same thing. So that gives me 15, that gives me 8. 15 plus 8 is going to be 23 twentieths. And when I change that to a mixed number, I use long division. So that's 23 divided by 20. So 23 goes in the house. It's going to go one time. And I'm going to subtract. And I'll have 3 left over, which means that would be 1 3 twentieths. I want you to get to this point. Okay? I don't want to accept improper fractions. Not right now. Okay? All right, so that's number 1. Number 3. Okay, and like I said, you should have watched the video to get the review of the process. If you're still having trouble, you can come to a Google Meet with me. You just need to request that, okay? So 13/7 and 3/2. These are both improper fractions. That's okay. We're going to leave them there for now. So I'm going to rewrite it like I always do. Okay, because when we're having to change denominators, this is just easier. My least common multiple between 7 and 2 is going to be 14. From 2 to 14, I have to multiply by 7. From 7 to 14, I have to multiply by 2. So here, 13 times 2 is going to give me 26. And 3 times 7 is going to give me 21. When I add these together, I am going to get 47 14ths. Okay, so I'm going to have to use my long division. So this is 47 divided by 14. Okay, fraction bars are just division bars. Oh, I know 14 will go 2 times. Let's see. Let's try 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times the 1 plus 1 is 4. All right, and we've got 5. So that's 5 left over. So this is going to be 3 5/14 there. Okay. All right. Let's go to number 9. I am going to do these last two a little quicker. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite them. So I've got 7/4 plus 5/8. Okay. So here, 8 is going to be my denominator, which means this fraction will stay the same. Here we're going to multiply by 2. Do the same thing on top. Okay. 14 plus 5 is going to be 21/8. Again, I'm going to use that long division. 21 divided by 8. 8 times 3 is 24, so it's not going to go that many times. So we are going to get 2 5/8. I'm going to double check my math right there. Yeah. Okay. All right. And the last one for this one is going to be number... I'm going to slide up a little bit. I hate when this is crooked. Okay, so I've got 4/5 and 1/3. Okay, so my least common denominator here is going to be 15. Multiply by 3. Multiply by 5. So that gives me 12/15 and 5/15. When I add 12 and 5, that's 17/15, which is going to be 1 2/15 because I'm afraid I'm running out of time. And I will do the long division since I do have a few seconds, okay? So 15 is going to go into 17 one time. 1 times 15. Okay, I do have 2 left over, and that's where this came from. Okay, so that is your adding fractions example. Thank you. Come to the Google Meets with questions.